Welcome to the Regex Code Review, Best Practices presentation. In this session, we'll explore how to ensure your regular expressions are efficient, readable, and secure. Let's begin with performance and complexity. Look at the code block. The first line is a comment that indicates catastrophic backtracking. The bad regex is a plus enclosed in parentheses, the whole group repeated with a plus. This pattern can lead to exponential time complexity, causing significant performance issues. The better alternative is to use a plus directly. This simpler pattern achieves the same result without the risk of catastrophic backtracking. Now let's consider readability and documentation. In the code block, the unclear intent is illustrated by the regex, a through z0 through 9 _% plus hyphen close square bracket plus symbol at the rate symbol a through z0 through 9 hyphen plus symbol backslash a through z curly braces 2 $. It's a complex pattern without any explanation, making it difficult to understand its purpose. A self-documenting approach involves using the re.verbose flag to add comments within the regex. As shown in the good example, the email pattern is broken down into its components with comments for the local part, the symbol, the domain, and the top-level domain. This makes the regex much easier to understand and maintain. Next, let's discuss security vulnerabilities. The vulnerable regex, which is a pipe A close parenthesis star symbol B, is susceptible to RDoS, or regular expression denial of service attacks. This can cause the application to become unresponsive. The safe pattern is a star B, which is a safer alternative that avoids the RDoS vulnerability. To further protect against RDoS attacks, you can add timeout protection using the re.match function with a timeout parameter, as shown in the example. This will prevent the regex from running for too long and potentially crashing the application. Now let's cover error handling and edge cases. Without error handling, if re.search doesn't find a match, attempting to access group 1 will raise an exception, potentially crashing the application. A safe implementation involves using a try-except block to catch the re.error exception. If a match is found, the result is assigned to match.group1. Otherwise, it's set to none. This ensures that the application doesn't crash, and that errors are logged for debugging. Let's turn our attention to testing and validation. Comprehensive test cases are crucial for ensuring that your regex works as expected. The example shows a list of test cases, including valid and invalid email addresses. For each test case, the pattern is tested against the input, and the result is compared to the expected output. This helps to identify any issues with the regex and ensures that it behaves correctly in all scenarios. Next, let's consider alternatives and maintainability. The complex regex, which is equals *d, close parentheses equals a through z, close parentheses equals a through z, close parentheses, curly braces 8 $, is a password validation pattern that checks for at least one digit, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter, with a minimum length of 8 characters. While this regex works, it's not very readable. A more readable alternative is to use a validate password function. This function checks the password's length and verifies that it contains at least one digit, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter. This approach is easier to understand and maintain. Finally, let's summarize the review checklist. Ensure that performance is tested to prevent catastrophic backtracking. The purpose of the regex is well documented for readability. Error handling is implemented to prevent crashes, and edge cases are covered to handle unexpected input. Also, make sure security is validated to avoid RDoS attacks. Test cases are written to ensure correctness, simpler alternatives are considered for maintainability, and the final code is easy to maintain. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.